Welcome to the Tourism Economics, a comprehensive online course designed to unravel the economic foundation of the global tourism industry. Whether you are a student, industry professional, entrepreneur, or policy enthusiast, this course will equip you with the analytical tools to understand and navigate the dynamics interplay between economics and tourism. Tourism is a powerful driver of socio-economic growth, influencing sectors like hospitality, transport, and heritage conversations. This course bridges microeconomics and macroeconomic principles, offering insight into consumer behavior, pricing strategy, market structure, and sustainable practices. You will explore real-world applications such as demand forecasting, investment appraisal, and the role of government policies in shaping tourism landscapes. Hi, I am Dr. Mohsina Hayat, your course coordinator, along with the Dr. Rachna Saxena with over 23 years of experience in economics, tourism, and finance. I am excited to guide you through this journey of understanding how economic theory apply can be to the real world of tourism. This flexible course spans 15 weeks, allowing you to learn at your own pace, perfect for working professionals or students. Beginners-friendly modules break down complex concepts like price elasticity into relatable examples, while flight price surges during the holidays. Interactive videos, discussions, forums, and quizzes like calculating tourism demand keep you engaged. Apply economics theories to real-world scenarios, such as analyzing how a hotel pricing strategy affects occupancy rate. Test your understanding with quizzes. Example, interrupting supply-demand for a popular tourist attraction. Tackle assignments like designing a crisis recovery plan for a post-pandemic tourism business. By the end of this course, you will be the master of economic forces shaping global tourism from pricing strategy to policy impact. Apply your skills through a hands-on capstone project, analyzing real-world data to optimizing tourism demand or evaluating sustainable investment opportunities. Walk away with the actionable insight to the master tools like tourism satellite accounts to measure industry impacts, explore crisis resilience strategies and ESG metrics for sustainable tourism. Equip yourself with in-demand skills to advance in tourism career or entrepreneurship. Ready to transform how you understand tourism economics impact? Join me in this dynamic course where you will master real-world tools to analyze destinations, optimizing pricing, and drive sustainable growth. Let's learn insight into action.